National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following Georgia counties: Camden and Glenn, effective until 8:25 a.m. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Camden County, in southeastern Georgia, south central Glenn County, in southeastern Georgia, until 8:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles south of Jekyll Island, or 14 miles northeast of Kings Bay Base, moving northwest at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jekyll Island around 7:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Brunswick around 7:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.